There are many mason jar products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mason jars from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Yota Mason Jars. Rating 4.5. The canning jars are made of BPA-free, toxic-free, lead-free glass to ensure food-grade safety, and high visibility allows you to see what's inside jars with airtight lids. Besides, the full wide-mouth design makes it easy to fill up, empty, and clean to make sure safe for the refrigerator and dishwasher. Silver split-type lids for 32-ounce mason jars made of food-safe metal screw bands are corrosion-resistant with the right sealing compound to ensure leak-proof that keeps air and excessive moisture out, prolonging the shelf life of contents inside. And lockings in nutrients, freshness, and flavor without any worry of spills. Glass mason jars are suitable for fermenting and canning pickles, peppers, jams, jellies, ketchup, spices, honey, salad fruits, yogurt, oats, snacks, parfaits, smoothies, candies, nuts, and biscuits. Number 4. Gling Mason Jars. Rating 4.6. Glass mason jars W/lids. 3 sets of 64 ounces ball canning jars and lids that are super for preserving and meal prep. These mason jars 16 ounces are ideal for fruits, vegetables, pickles, sauces, treats, dry foods, beans, etc. Wide mouth. These are wide mouth mason jars, allowing for super easy pouring sauces and dressings, scooping. Regular spoon gets to all corners sufficiently, and cleaning easily sticks in that cloth and gets cleaning. Leak-proof lid. Tightly sealable lid prevents messy spills and leaks, and seals in the freshness and delicious flavor. Just twist the cap of these ball jars and relax. Number 3. 2-pack wide mouth mason jar. Rating 4.6. Our handle mason jar lids are made from BPA-free and heavy-duty plastic to support a heavy weight without breaking or bending and come with a silicone seal, which is non-toxic, easy to clean with top-rack dishwasher safe, and can last for years. Designed with an open design handle for a comfortable grip and a lock-in-place flip cap, our mason jar lids help turn your mason jar into pottery to store and pour your cold brew coffee, milk, iced tea, syrups, and other drinks and never make a mess. The mason jar lid together with the gasket and tight secured cap provide the best seal, perfect to keep your food and liquids fresh and allow you to easily pour out the content inside the mason jar with one hand. Number 2. Coma airtight glass mason jars. Rating 4.7. Glass jars with airtight lids are made of food-grade glass. Each glass container is well sealed and equipped with a silicone gasket and stainless iron locking clamp to ensure your food stays clean, fresh, and safe while in storage. The airtight canning jars can be a pickling jar for home and kitchen, preserving various foods like jams, chutneys, flour, cereal, sugar, spices, nuts, tea, dried beans, and your favorite snacks like biscuits is good. The wide enough mouth and smooth inner wall make the jam jar easier to fill and clean, leaving no food residue on the wall. The design of the salad jars with lid meal prep makes them easier to toe grasp. Number 1. Solid 4-pack mason jar. Rating 4.7. Includes 4-pack plastic mason jar lids, 2 blue 2 red. Solid versatile lid can turn your mason jar into a water bottle for drinking and pouring, storing a variety of liquids and foods, such as salad dress, syrup, iced tea, and nuts. Perfectly match ball brand wide mouth jars, not included in the package. Upgraded silicone gasket. Solid has greatly improved the material and sealing structure of the inserted silicone ring for an airtight, leak-proof seal that prevents spills and leaks. Durable and BPA-free material. Our exclusively wide-mouth mason jar lids are made of strong and reusable premium plastic, easy to hand wash and dishwasher clean, and absolutely refrigerator safe. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.